Are you prepared to face the COVID lockdown 3 effectively? The last two COVID waves have put a lot of people into health issues, wealth issues, income problem, relationship problem, and a lot more. So during this COVID wave 3, we can prepare ourselves well so that we do not get impacted much. My name is Senthil. I am a life coach. I had been telling about how to plan and be prepared for facing a lockdown during this COVID season. So first of all, yesterday we discussed about how can you create a new source of income or how can you cut down on your savings. If you want this video, you can also see the description box. I'll provide the link over there. And today we will discuss about how can you plan and keep your health safe these lockdowns, right? So during this time, what all can you do and keep this as a checklist and follow it when you're going for a third lockdown or anything that the government is going to take, and then you can be in a much better position this time. So first and foremost, check yours and family's health insurance, whether they are updated. In case if the medical insurances do not cover COVID, it is better to get it updated and keep a COVID insurance for yourself. It is important because nowadays you do not know when is the uncertainty, and it is better to be safe. It is and I have listed a lot of things that can prevent you from getting into COVID. However, if it comes, then you need to have an insurance. So second thing is, know the medical sources in your locality. Use your Facebook group for your locality, maybe subscribe for it. You have a lot of groups that are coming up, right? So for your city, your locality, there will be. So get into it and find out where are the vaccination centers nearby, where all do you have the beds available. So these updates are constantly coming up. You can keep yourself updated. Be updated on the vaccine schedule. In case of vaccination that you have not taken, then go ahead and take it. Or if you have already taken the first dose, second dose, so make sure that you are on your schedule properly. So if you already have some chronic diseases or a BP or sugar or whatever it is, you have been taking tablets, stock your tablets in advance so that you do not have to walk up to the medical shop every time. You can even buy the pulse oximeter or the BP checking machine so that you do not have to go out for any of the checkups. How can you maintain yourself so that you do not get into these health issues during the pandemic? So this is what we are going to see now. Know the naturopathy, Siddha, Ayurveda, or even homeopathy treatments that are available around you. Maybe you can take a research about who are the best doctors and you can take a consultation from them. Most of them nowadays have a COVID package or a COVID preventive methods. So if you want, it is a preventive method and that is not going to have a side effect, right? You can buy and use them because in the past days we have seen that the naturopathy, Siddha, Ayurveda medicines are working much better in terms of preventing COVID rather than, once it comes, we get into the allopathic treatment. So, and disconnect yourself from public as far as possible. That is what exactly the lockdown is all about. But if you're not preparing, if you don't have this checklist with you, for each and everything, you may need to step out and get into a risk. So avoid that conflict, and max to max, you do not go out during the lockdown, even for walking or even for buying certain essentials, because of course, most of the things are going to come to your house. Buy a steam inhaler. In case if you want to step out and come back, just it is better to take some steam so that it is also a preventive measures that you can do to prevent COVID. And if you are at home, your health is important, your workouts are most important. So keep a yoga mat at your home or home gym or an exercise ball or a workout. How do you do walking or aerobics or dance that you can do? Zumba dance is available. You can do meditation. So make sure that you are doing any of these activities as per your wish, at least 1 hour a day. I wish you do this along with your family members, motivate them also to come and do so that you will be encouraged and your health will be at peak. So you need to do this, friends. I mean, whatever that you're following, these things have to be followed very, very religiously. So do your workout schedule properly. and plan a healthy diet, and buy the long time groceries in advance so that you don't have to walk up to the store all the time, and do not order many food from outside. It can cut down on your expenses as well. At the same time, you can be healthy. So learn the tricks. If you can't live without pizza, if you can't live without burger, or if you have certain things that you definitely want to have, then try to make it at home. It will create a new hobby for you. It will also keep your health and wealth safety. And you can get into a salad diet, which is, healthy. You have internet, you know everything what to do, and get into certain things. And being home is the right time to prepare of all these things. So these are all to take care of your physical health, and also your mental health is equally important, and that is equally impacted during this lockdown. So never ever get tensed or get panic for anything, because any negative emotion that you're going to have is going to have a negative effect. Don't prolong conflicts with your family members or neighbors or office or anybody, because since you get into a stressful level, it is easy for anybody to trigger you, and then you get into a conflict mode. But understand this factor, and whoever's mistake it is, right, do not start arguing. Stop it and get back. This is a very important factor, because I see that currently there are a lot of people who get into conflicts soon. But you need to understand, with the world, you can see the whole human world is not actually permanent, right? Anything happens on any day. So do not be strained too much towards any of the problems. This is important. And don't keep watching social media, television for COVID scoreboards like today, how much and how many people are dying and how they are being buried or burned. So these are all the psychological impact that you're taking in your mind, and avoid it. And social media is designed in such a way that Facebook or Instagram, if you watch something, and then it will keep on giving you the same thing again and again, right? So it will not let you stop. If you are going to watch something, it will give you all the related videos in the next step. So if you are using Facebook and your friend is using Facebook, they both will not show the same information. Your Facebook or your Instagram or any social media, right, YouTube, it is customized for yourself basis your searches. So if you keep on searching for COVID related COVID search boards, then it may tend to give you a lot of disaster information which will affect you adversely. So stay away from searching for these things frequently. Leave things which are out of your control to the superpower. Believe in God, and things are going to happen good, because you can't take control of every unnatural thing that is happening in the world. And you can take a medical counseling, or even life coaches like us. We are there, and we will be able to help you come out of any kind of mental, emotional issues that you are facing, right? And do meditation and yoga. Eat together as much as possible with the family members. Sit in one harmony, and then you can eat peacefully. Do not get any negative thoughts during that time, and these kind of things will strengthen your relationships also. How to maintain the relationship, we will be looking at in the upcoming videos, because I have this series of listing has to be more. So I have given these kind of information in a series of videos. So relationship maintenance will come next to it. And many people have also asked me about the source of income. I need to do a second part wherein I will give you more information about how to improve your source of income. So I'm going to provide all these things in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please like, comment, as well as subscribe. And very important, you forward this to others so that this will help everybody, right? So, box. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.